Hey everybody, it's Motorbike Mike coming to you live from our undisclosed location. We're in night number 2 of our Honda CR250. It's a 1996, our restoration project. And last night we had a pretty good night with it, I think, don't you?
Yeah.
And we got the tires mounted, new tubes, some rim straps. How long did that take us, Cody, do you think?
2.5 hours, 3 hours.
Yeah, and then it took us about 3 hours, I think. And then your dad, the most crippled one in the bunch, he was the one that finally got the rear tire to go on. So
Yeah.
it's just been a while since we've done it. And so anyway, we got the tires mounted up. And what else we did?
We took the front and rear sprocket off. We took the forks off. Just assembled a bunch of other pieces for the bike.
Yep. And so tonight what we're going to do is we're going to take the triple clamp off and grease those bearings. We're going to remove the swing arm and shock, and we're going to grease up the swing arm bearings and the linkage bearings, and mostly still all mechanical, nothing cosmetic. As I said before, this is more about getting the bike race ready and safe. It doesn't have anything to do with the looks of the bike. So that's it for now, and we'll be back tomorrow night with another update.